unbox. So this I paid just $10 for this to be able to record videos using my cell phone. So it's a tripod 3110 made in China. Let us see what is inside. From then on I should be able to make better quality videos using a stick rather than putting my cell phone on table. They have a little phone holder. It looks like what is coming out. Right, it has a little thing. And let's look at it. Oh wow. Case. Got the back. There is nothing inside. This is what I got for $10. Oh, there's a level or two. Oh my god. The bubble. And there's a base here. You can turn it around. This is what you get for $10 on eBay for a phone stick or stand, let's say. Wow, it looks like so thin aluminum. I don't know, there is supposed to be a plastic ring or something here, but it looks very open. You have the base, very cheap quality plastic. May break any time. You don't expect more than this for $10. So this is what you get. See it? In the photographs it looked like it's a very, oh my god, robust build like that, but wow, it's coming out. So you can see this is what you get. Right, very thin aluminum. What can we do? That is China. But they have something. They made something. And you also can use it for phone. I mean the regular camera. This base is where you can actually use it for the screw. Use it for mounting a regular camera. It's a very poor quality. Cell phone stick. That's what you get. I don't know how you will fix this one. Is there any way you can fix this? Whoa. Oh yeah, there is a knob here. You see, I can fix it, and the total length is only this much. It would not extend anymore. You see? That's what all it is. If you have to make a lengthy from a height, you have to put it somewhere on top of something else. Or maybe this will extend. Oh, okay. Yep, it's extending. Oh my god. Unbelievable. It's extending. Oh my god. Not that bad. All the three legs extend. We can fix them back. See this one? All are extending. So it's not that bad. Ow. And now you have a big stand, but they are not. Ow. It's not that bad. Now the stand is at a high level. This top. Oh wow, not bad. Now it is. So this is the unboxing of my $10 selfie stick I got from eBay for only I just received. I just wanted to show you this in any case you want to buy it, but it's a very poor quality aluminum. It's very thin grade, like diameter, I mean the thickness of this, like so very bad, but you don't expect more than this for $10. And I thank you all for watching my unboxing video, and I wish you good luck. Be careful for this corona season. Take care of your health. We have one beautiful life, so enjoy it and celebrate it. It's a God's gift. Okay? Take care. Thank you all. Bye.